Hi everybody, welcome back. Tonight we're making zucchini pasta to go with that marinara from last night. Please stand by.
This tool is called a spiralizer, and you can pick it up at pretty much any home goods store. First, you're going to wash and clean your zucchini. You can also peel it if you'd like to, but there's no need for that. So there are several blade choices for the spiralizer to help you determine the shape and size of your noodles. For linguine, use a bigger blade with a bigger spacing, but for spaghetti noodles, use this one with a small, fine blade. You should also plan on your serving sizes. About 1/2 zucchini should be a serving size per person. First, I'll cut the zucchini in half, or almost in half. I'll load it into the spiralizer, and just watch and see what happens. Pretty easy. I take off the end. I'll cut another section and load it in the machine. And then just simply turn the handle. So at this point, we have roughly 2/3 of one zucchini spiralized. Let's just look at how much we got out of that. That is quite a bit of zucchini noodles right there. Let me finish up this zucchini real quick, and then we'll talk about how to actually prepare these noodles so they actually feel and taste like real noodles. A lot of folks think they don't like zucchini noodles, but that is probably because they are not preparing them the right way. Let me explain. Some folks try and blanch their noodles, so they'll still have crisp yet slightly softened noodles. Other folks try and boil the zucchini like regular pasta, but that just doesn't work. That turns into a big mushy mess. But stand by, and I will show you the perfect saute for your zucchini noodles. I'm setting my stovetop on 7, and I'm going to add in just about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Next, I'll add my zucchini. Once my zucchini is well covered with the oil, I will saute uncovered for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, I'll reduce the heat down to low and then cover the pan for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, the pasta is al dente, but look at all that moisture. Next, I'll transfer my pasta to a plate lined with paper towels and press out the moisture. While the pasta rests and dries, I'm going to quickly saute some mushrooms to add to the marinara sauce from last night. I have washed and sliced 1 pound of mushrooms. I'm going to add them to a pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then I'll season with 1 tablespoon of, oh dear, not tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of pepper and a half teaspoon of salt. I also added a quarter cup of water and then covered the pan for about 3 minutes. This will be a great meat substitute for our vegetarians and vegans, and it's also helped me create a really nice mushroom stock that I can use later on. And there we have it, a heart-healthy, diabetic, keto-friendly, low-carb, low-fat, vegetarian and vegan-friendly zucchini pasta dish. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.